Yo, what's up?
Okay, get the hand. Yeah, so you know what's going on. About to go do our thing in San Francisco, probably rob some people, make a music video, get millions of dollars, you feel me? Nothing big, that's just what we do on the daily, alright?
Shout out Rainbow Warrior.
Yeah, shout out the boy Rainbow Warrior.
It's your boy Rainbow Warrior.
Yeah, I think it's recording, but I'm not sure. I pressed the button, so is it recording, Diego?
Bro, this music's coming.
Alright, what's good?
Oh, yeah, copyright, you can't have it in the background. Sorry.
Alright, what's good? On our way to San Francisco right now with the boys.
Young Ibby,
go Diego.
Wait, let me fix
This guy's here with us again. I still don't know his name. He's like, I don't know why he's here. And we got Young Bird.
But he's low-key smashing the girl. And still saying he's not.
We can cut that out.
Damn. One time my dog killed a gopher in our backyard.
A goat?
No, a gopher. It was Duke. That fool was like tearing that thing to shreds too. If we crash right now, that shit would hurt. Why is this thing so zoomed in?
Feel me? I'm out here driving and vlogging at the same time. I'm out to get action right here.
Alright, is it recording? Oh yeah, it is. Alright, boys. There's the ocean right there. I think we're in San Francisco right now, are we? Alright, yeah, no, we're not even close, but we're on this dope ass bridge. Oakland, San Francisco. We're like hella zooming on the ocean right now.
Oh, it's right here.
Oh shit.
And I'll see you. Hey, you gotta do like the
You gotta do the.
I'll see you next time.
Oh yeah, like this be like, alright, later guys.
Your channel.
What's up? Finish your yawn, Albert. You're gonna make everyone yawn. That must make me yawn, bro.
Whoever tries to dog me will pay. Yeah. Chico! Yeah!
Fuck Chico, actually.
Nah, fuck you. This is what we get in Chico, boys. Hey, yo, lady, let us in. Let us in, We're hella break chicken's bitch behind us because she's a bitch. Hey.
I like this. Look at this.
What's up? Hey! Hey!
Oh my god. Oh shit, Jack, it's your song.
Oh, you already know what it is. The beat, so it's not nice. Wait. Got that drip, got that super soaker, hit that shit.
Don't know what to think. See money, we get money, right? Don't know what to think when I'm thinking about you. But you okay? Yeah, Don't know what to think when I'm thinking about you. But you okay? And you like dolce. Fuck me for this dolce.
Hey, Howard Street.
Where?
Let's go.
Howard Street right there, boys.
Fuck that guy, bro. Remember Jerome put me on his story and he swiped out and put daddy on it.
Hey, then you go like, that's not Hey, look,
Ace Hardware, fuck you, you're my rival.
Bro, you don't have a job anymore.
Used to be my rival. Fuck.
Job anyways.
Yeah, I know.
Happy Thursday, everybody.
Yeah, happy Thursday, dude. Alright. Where you going, homie? This guy is crazy. What is this guy doing? Yo! What is happening? Everyone in the city is
what the
fucking
fuck's this car doing?
crazy.
Oh, look at that. You see that? He's like this.
This was riding the Scoot Coot. Alright, we're at Pier 39.
Oh, we are here.
boys.
Alright, now I just gotta find parking.
Don't put that camera, dude. I don't want to be recorded right now. I don't want to be.
Where we at, boys?
Pier 39.
Where we at? Where we at? Hold on. Oh shit, rich boy.
Just go stay with the boys.
Fuck the police. No.
Where's Jason going?
Jason, where you going? I don't know.
Hey, Diego. I'm not trying to hold that.
lean? You don't want to get caught up.
Sure, I'll chug that lean right now, bro.
You chug lean, you don't sip it like everyone.
Nah, I never sip lean. It's all about chugging it. Dude, you probably die from that.
I'm gonna throw it and then catch it with my other hand. Record that.
Oh,
But you gotta back up though.
oh, you're good. You're good. Boys. and that guy.
Just do your thing. Alright.
You good?
Got you.
That was really good.
Look at young Ibby, bro. This is gonna be in the music video. Jack looking all sad.
Oh yeah, dude. He's like walking. He's walking back up. So he's like.
You get a shout out, bro.
Katie, bro.
Sure. Shout out Katie and Titty Boys. Chico.
What's homie doing?
We should head to the Golden Gate now. Part of the video right here. Come on, dude. You gotta fucking rep this, man. It's a good video. I don't even know the lyrics, bro.
I had to run up a check on him, had to put ice on the flex on him, and flex on him, poured up before that tech on him, had to buy the wreck on him, I had to run up a check on him, I had to run up a check on him, I had to run up a check on him, I had to run up a check on him,
If I hit my nose right now, everyone's gonna be like, this guy's a douche.
You think that's funny or what?
Yeah, I thought about being serious. I'm not a douche.
What's going on, you guys?
Rainbow Warrior Jr. here.
No, leaving San Francisco. They're trying to hold us back right now. Fuck these guys. They don't want to give us any parking spaces.
Took an L.
Heading back to the Woo now. You feel me? WCC till I die.
Get that?
Yeah, that guy was flying, bro. I got your license plate, bitch. Like,
This nigga's always flexing. See me right around the city in a black Lexus. I got bitches different cities loving me in Texas. Good girl, every city I live for that bitch alive.